In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 5 Meta AI features you need to try out on WhatsApp. Meta AI is available on all Meta platforms and is available on both WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. If you want to use it, you need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version on Play Store or Apple Store. Secondly, you need to also make sure that you are in an eligible country. I'm going to be leaving the list of eligible countries down in the description below. Starting from our top 5 list, we have the Meta AI sticker generator. The Meta AI sticker generator is used in generating amazing stickers on WhatsApp. So if you want to make use of it, you just go to any chat on your WhatsApp, then click on the emoji icon. Then next you will see the create button. Then click on generate with AI. Immediately you click on generate with AI, you are going to type in what you want it to generate. So I'm just going to type in funny here. So immediately you are done, just click on go. So now as you can see, it has generated some funny stickers you can use for your chat on WhatsApp. So if you want to save it, just hold on it and click on add to favorite so that you don't have to search for it over and over. On our number 4 list, we have the translator. You can use the translator to translate any language you don't understand into English language, or translate anything in English language into other languages. So now I'm going to be testing this word in Spanish. So immediately you copy it, click on the Meta logo here. You'll see the Cycle Meta logo here. Click on it. I'm just going to paste in that word in Spanish. So I'm going to instruct it to translate it into English language. So immediately you are done, just click on send. And now as you can see, it has translated it into English language. So that word in Spanish means hello. This is another word in Japanese. So you do same thing. Just paste it on the message section here and tell it to translate to English. And now as you can see, it has translated it into English. That word in Japanese means hello or good day. On our number 3 list, we have the script generator. So if you are a content creator or you want to generate any script, you can just use the WhatsApp AI feature to generate any script. So I'm going to instruct it to generate a script on content creation. So immediately I don't just click on send and wait for it to generate. So now as you can see, it has given us a topic and also different section in content creation. So same thing, I'm just going to paste this word, generate a script on innovation. So now as you can see, it has also given us a topic for innovation. So same thing, you can just test run it and check out the amazing features there. So next on our number 2 list, we have the image generator. So now you can use this Meta AI feature to generate images. What you just need to do is to copy your prompt and instruct it on the type of image to generate. So immediately I don't just paste it on the message button here and click on send. So now as you can see, it has generated image. So I'm just going to try out another image. So now as you can see, I instructed it to generate a village king image, and as you can see, it has already generated it. So if you want to do any adjustments or you want it to be more realistic, you can instruct it on what to generate. Next on our number 1 list is the discovery. On the search bar here, you can see they have different type of discovery here, both health tips, different things, innovations, different discovery here. So I'm just going to be testing out some features here from the search bar here. So now I'm just going to be testing the public speaking tips here. So just click on send. So now as you can see, it has generated different things related to public speaking. So let's go for imagine a gold boat. So now as you can see, it has generated an image of gold boat. Now let's go for breakfast reels. So now as you can see, I instructed it to give me breakfast reels, and as you can see, it brought out different videos related to breakfast reels. Click on it and it automatically take you to those videos on Instagram. So this is a very good feature on the WhatsApp Meta AI. So let's click on another reels. So now, as you can see, this is a video tool on Instagram. The Meta AI is really doing a great job, and they are improving day by day, and with time they will take over other AI tools like ChatGPT. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Ebenezer from Osa Studio. Thank you for watching this video.